Hello. Hello. Yes, good afternoon, everybody. Today is 14th. This is 14th of September. So today I want us to look at cryptocurrencies. There's some instruments which I want us to look at. We'll be looking at Bitcoin. I want us to look at Ethereum. And then I also want us to look at BNB, so Binance USD. So we'll start off with Bitcoin. Just a brief overview of what we expect to be happening on Bitcoin. We'll start with it here. So far it looks like Bitcoin is going exactly the same way as the British pound. They are almost moving in the same direction. Bitcoin, we had a similar crash on US, and if you check GBP USD, we had a similar market movement. We had a similar crash. So we had a break here downwards. We had a similar thing happening here, and we had a similar thing happening somewhere there. So what we have is this. We'll look at it on the monthly time frame. So we have this is what I'm going to do on this side. We have something which looks like a shape which was broken. We have a very good resistance here. We have a resistance, we have a support, we have a support, and we have a support. Then we have this breakout here, and then we have another level here. So as it is right now, after this breakout, after the break we had below this level here, we were supposed to be looking for sell positions. We were expecting the sellers to continue pushing price downwards. So we do expect the price of Bitcoin to continue downwards to somewhere around 12,017.59. So the fact that the price went as high as this point and as high as this point and is down at this point here is a sign that we are likely in the future going to see the price of Bitcoin go up, at least back up to this point here. So basically, if you're on this chart and you see this happening, expect the price to move downwards up to this is a resistance, a resistance, a resistance. There is a break above, and then we have another level here. This is like a shape. So this is a small expanding range formation. If the price should break, and we expect the sellers to break below this trend line, then continue down up to this point. If the price should break below that level, if the price should break below this level here, then our next target is this one here. So as I've said, on Bitcoin, we are actually looking for a sell up to somewhere around 12,722.41, or this one 5032.38. This is my opinion on the Bitcoin. That's simply what I wanted to say on it. That's what I want to say on it, that we are sellers if the price breaks below this point, at least up to this level here. So my next chart is Ethereum. We have it here. So with Ethereum so far, the same thing which we had on Bitcoin is the same thing we are having on Ethereum. We have a very steep trend line which was broken, this one. Look at how nicely this was used as a support until when the price broke below it, then the price continued downwards. So we've made a very big pullback. If you pick this as the swing low and then you take this as the swing high, you can see that the price has actually pulled back more than, this is almost 80%. So it made a retracement of 80% from the highest high we had so far, which means that if the price can break again below this level here, then it is possible that we may see the price extend downwards, at least up to this level here. So this could be the place where the price is actually, we are heading back to where we started it. Ethereum, Bitcoin is heading back almost up to where we started it. Let's see Bitcoin, how much pullback we've seen. We've seen that on Ethereum it's almost 80%. On Bitcoin, it's almost the same thing. We have almost an 80% pullback. So there's not much of a difference, which means that on these two instruments, we are likely to see price go down back up to where we started. So we are likely to see price go back up to where the main move started, which is somewhere around this area here. So look for sell positions, look for sell orders, expect the sellers to push price downwards at least up to this point here. So my next chart is BNB. So BNB so far this was introduced earlier than the Bitcoin itself, but you can see what it had a high here. Let's check the daily time frame. So this one I'm going to draw shapes on it because we don't have much data as such, but on the daily chart we have data which could be useful. So I'm going to draw my lines on the daily chart, then you see what we expect to be happening in the daily chart. So we have a support here, have a support there, then we have another one there, then we have another one there, and then we have another level there, like that. So this is like some channel formation. The price is currently heading to the lower side. So basically, as it is right now, as we're speaking now, the price is going downwards. We do expect that the next day's candle should push price downwards up to this trend line, where if this trend line is broken, then our next target is the line we have at the bottom, which is this one, and also this trend line here. So technically this is a very good sell. We are looking at a situation where the sellers are likely to take full control up to this trend line. Should this trend line be broken, then our next target is this one. And on the other side, if the price ascends and closes above this trend line, then we do expect the buyers to push price upwards up to this level, where if it's broken, then our next target is this one here. So expect that the price will continue down, maybe up to that trend line. Then from that level, it should continue upwards. Then we expect to see a pullback. Then we expect